Hi, my dear students, nice class social. Today we learn about the lesson, second lesson, the natural release of the earth, lithosphere. Answer repeat na? The natural release of the earth, lithosphere. Already you know them here on the earth. Here to observe. Here. Lithosphere here hydrosphere, here atmosphere, here biosphere. Already you know them here on the last class. At the same time, you here first order landform, second order landform, third order landform. So what are they to know about in this lesson? Last class will be learn about it. Now here let's say continuation on there on the class will be here lithosphere lesson in the now today also. Now here also the rocks were formed out of mountain materials coming from the mantle of the earth. Here the mantle of the earth. Here do you observe careful? Here crust mantle. Mantle is the inner part. Here inner core and outer core also. This is the second part. Here the second layer of the inside of the earth is called a mantle. Here mantle of the earth. These rocks over a millions of years have been shaped into valleys and plains of those soil, river valleys, cut into mountain and plateaus, etc. Here these are there. Once I repeat on there. Here on the first lesson will be now going to on there. Here on there on our earth. Here Gondwana land, here Laurasia Plateau, here also and now here. Here Gondwana land moves on to eastern side and at present on the peninsular plateau. Here on the Eurasian plateau, here joined with them. In this area will be the lowland, valleys are achieved. After that, here the 100 million years after, you fill on there in the valleys. Now here in the Indo-Gangetic plains were formed. Dirt are also here the soils are rivers, valleys and the mountains are also formed in the plateaus are etc. also formed. Water and moisture in the air and the break down the rocks. This is the process will be done once a time you hear water and the rocks will be cut into the form on the soil, plateaus. Mount here and the plains are also formed on that area. Here, the process by which the rocks are weakened and broken is called weathering. Here, for example, in this area, here the plains will be the one side and here lowland. Why? Because of millions of years in this area is the rocks. At the same time, here the tectonic plates. Here the Indo-Gangetic. Here the South Indian plate, here on the Eurasian plate with joined with them after in the lowlands, here covered with them here millions of years the rocks will be here whether here on the air and water to move on there under the rock, here cut into the pieces after the formation on there. This is called the weathering. Here, now here, the active weathering phase of the earth surface by water and wind is called the erosion. At the same time, you now at present here soil erosion. Here every day also the here water moves on to a top to bottom every day also. At the same time, the air also in the process will be now here the soil erosion. In this the water will be the continuous flow on there in this area. Soil and other than the materials we cut on there. These are called here the erosion. This is called the erosion of the here. Next another one is the eroded material in the form of small rocks, gravel, mud, fine soil, etc. carried by winds and water is called the transportation. For example, in this area now here on the water moves on there, here cut on to there, here on the transportation. Every day also here in the water, the human rather than the materials are here moves on to their one place to another, high place to low place. This is the transportation. When the rivers and the winds slow down, here move the join on the winds and the river join. Here the before the join in the sea in this area. Now here why? Because of on the flat surface on that area. They do not have force to carry. Why? Because of, for example, in this area is here carry here in this area equal level line. That's why here the force not here carry on the material. Indeed, the material is here far on there. Here the material the anymore and they dump them here on there. They dump them. For example, in this area to move on there on the dust. Here on there the flat land. Here on there the formation on there. Dump on there on that area. This process is called the deposition. That is called the deposition. This dumped debris help to form the plains and river basins. So that's why it's called the river basin. Here, for example, in this area, now here on the Ganga river flow on there. In this area, here the farm on the deltas, Sundarban deltas. Here also a formation. Here Godavari delta, here Krishna delta, here Kaveri delta, here Mahanadi delta in our area. These are the formation of there. These the deltas are the formation. Here also. These guys in the mountains, the basins, river basins also a form. Here next one. Work of the water. This is the main important of there in this lesson. Here also, these are the formation. Here the work of the water. Now here also there. The work of river begins from its very source in the high mountains. As a result, a deep valley develops, usually called the V-shaped valley. For example, in this area here on there, the high of their mountain. In this the water will melting on there after the sunrises. After now here on the forcefully down into the water. That's why in this area, blue sand area, is not the valleys formation are there. This is called the V-shaped valley. V-shaped valley. And high water pressure on in this area. Here the curve on there in this area, water force on the curve. That's why here the V-shaped valley formation. A gorge is almost of all equal where it is a top as a well. As it's a bottom. In a contrast, a canyon is wider, it is a top than is the bottom. For example, Grand Canyon of Colorado in America. Here, for example, do you observe here Grand Canyon? Here, this is the V-shaped valley. In this area to float on their water here and there. This is the Grand Canyon. It's Colorado. These are the formation of the Grand Canyon. Next, here the George. George are suitable for a construction of a dams. Here, for example, in this area, now here in this area one dam, this area one dam, this area one dam, easily on there, bit on there. Here these are two force on there. Here not a force to be a water join in the river mouth. That's why here on the use on the electricity. At the same time we use on the other purpose is the irrigation purpose are also use easily possible on there. And the construction of a dam here not a more cost of on there. That's one here also a dam here built on the George areas easily on there. When a river reaches the sea, the fine materials which are not yet dropped and is deposited as it mouth forming as a delta. For example, already you know that here in the Ganga basin, here Ganga river moves on there. Here in the sea and sand are formed in this area. Now here the delta formation. Here also the Mahanadi delta. Here Godavari Nadi delta. Godavari river delta. Here are the Krishna river delta. Here Kaveri delta also a formation. For example, here rivers move on there, here and there. After then here joining the sea, here this is the form of the in this area. This is called a delta. These are river moving on there. These are called a delta. Now here when the rivers reach a delta, here river here reaches the sea. Here the find the material which is dropped into a mouth. It is called a delta. Now here do observe delta here and then reverse. This one is the joining of there after here river mouth joining this are called a delta. Delta formation in its okay. Now here on there do you observe on there another one. Slow moving of mass of ice, a river of ice is called a glacier. For example, here on there Indus Gorge, here also another one. Here the formation of a glacier. This is the glacier. Here on there Himalayan glacier. Before now here in this area will be the now rivers will be the start on there. Rivers starting point. Here this is the glacier. A glacier, here up there the glacier. The movement of a glacier is very slow, unlike a water flow. These are the after then here unlike the water inside of the water. Now here a glacier erodes through a process called a flucking, in which it can lift a pieces of rock and transport them. After then here the glaciers here are the flucking. Here that's one is the flucking of there in this area. After that, here the transport them. Just as a sandpaper, here there the sandpaper on there usually under the sandpaper removes a small particles of wood. The glacier acts as abrasive. It's abrasive and the erodes of the bedrock. Here on there the bedrock. Here on there the sandpaper type. Here on there the bedrock type. And through these two processes, a glacier create a U-shaped valley. Here up there, here inside of there, here U-shaped valley. Here these are the glacier to one there. U-shaped valley. Here up there the U-shaped valley formation on there. Next here on there. The erosion and deposition of the sea waves gives rise to a coastal landform. Here and there, before the joining of the water, here the coastal landforms, both are there. Here every day also the waves on the seas and oceans are also every day by say high typhoon and the low need type of the waves are there. That's why that both are the force on there. Here formation of the deltas and here the coastal plains are also a formation. Neap tide and high tides and the river water now joining on there both are there. Here and the joining is there both forces. That's why the formation of the coastal areas. Now here on there the cape. A cape is a land cutting out into the sea. Here on there, a bay is a wide mouth reaches is the line of a coast. Sea waves deposit sediments along the shores, forming beaches etc. also. Now here on there, these are all of them. These were two processes, beaches here on there. Now here the light, what will be now joining in there into the drop into the sea. At the same time, the sand will be deposited in this area. That's why in the sea beaches are forming. Chennai Beach, Visakhapatnam Beach, here on there, these are there, Cochin, here on there, Goa. These the beaches are formed on there. Now here, wide action creates a number of interesting erosion and the depositional features in the desert like sand dunes. For example, in the Thar desert, in this area, while here on there, the blue on there. Here on the storm winds are blue on there. In the lightweight of the sand which are move to one place to another place. That's why here on there the formation of the sand. That is called a sand dunes. Here also a formation the mushroom rocks and the Hinchelberg and the lost plains are also a formation on there. Here on there the Hinchelberg and here also a last plains. Here the mushroom rocks. Do you observe in there? Sea caves, sea arcs, stacks, sea cliffs, and the mushroom rock. Mushroom rock are also a formation in this one. These are the in-shell burger also here. Why? Because of forcefully on there inside this side, here and there the here the various types of sand dunes in the Sahara desert in the Africa in this area. Now here and there the force on there the storm winds are also. That's the formation of there. These are the now I hope that in the last class and this class will be the now here the lithosphere. Here there the first order landform, second order landform, third order landforms. What are they? Now here and there is the process of the weathering, erosion, and of the rock beds. What is meant by a transportation? What is meant by a deposition? Here the how is the formation of the V-shaped valley, and the what are they? The how will be the gorge? What are they? The Great Grand Canyon. Here the Grand Canyon. So here up there the gorge are here. People on there built easily built on there the dams. Here after that how will be the formation of the deltas? How will be the formation of the glacier? At the same time, the glaciers arise on there under that area. How will be the arise on there? What are called on there? Left on there. Here formation of the U-shaped valleys are also formation. Here also a bay will be the formation. How will be then? Here at the same time, the beaches how will be the formation, and also here is the here on the desert areas are also some the sand dunes how will be the formation, and the mushroom rocks and Luckenberg and glass plains are also here how will be the formation on there in the desert area left on there. I hope they are understanding in this lesson. Thank you to one and one.